So in part 3, we are going to convert our pure Node.js application to Express.js application. One of the reasons why I want to do it, except the fact that Express.js is one of the most popular Node.js web frameworks, it also provides like some features that I will need in my backend API. As you know, I'm doing this example because I want to use it in my React and Next.js applications. That's why I want to keep it like as simple as possible, but with some base features. And that's why what we're gonna do, first of all, to add some dependencies, some packages to our project, we need to go to the package.json. In our previous part, we introduced this file, and this is a place. This is the one that we need. In case if you don't have it like this, only thing you need is install it. Install. So this command should install it and also introduce it in this file, so you don't have to do it manually, except the fact that you want to get like some specific version. And once you have this dependency and it's installed locally, for now I will keep this one. I want to compare these two files at the end. And next thing, what I will do, I will add new file. I will call it server.js, and this is the file that we will use for like as a Express.js web server. So let's start. First thing that we need is to introduce our Express.js dependency. So require Express, and next thing is to create an instance of this application. So I will do constant app, and this will be our Express. So basically, when we use this package, we get access to this Express, and by calling it, we create an instance. And now when we have instance, let's compare it to our previous example. So in this example, we just used like built-in dependency, which is HTTP package. And now we have our Express.js instance. What we can do, I will use this instance and then call function get. I will specify path that I want to enable for our application, and then we need to introduce our callback function. So as in case of pure Node.js application, so this is our callback basically. We can copy paste this part. We will need to update it a little, but we can copy paste from here, and then close. So this is gonna be our get method. I will do the same. I will return JSON with the same content, response body. But the thing is, in case of Express.js, we need to do it a bit differently. In this case, it's not write, but it is called send. So and we can skip this part here, but the rest is world from, let's say, Express.js. A few things that we need here is so let's, before adding some constants, I want to add some constants for host name and then port number, but for now we can do app listen. So will be port, host name. We will need to introduce this here, so I can take it from this part. And then again, our callback, which is like this. I think we can also use this part from our previous example, but let me just type it here. And I will log to the console. I'll log this case, we need this example Express.js application. And I want to pass port and then the host name. So this is in our case is so host name and our port number. So this is our port, and now we can save this file and try to reach it out and see how it works. From end user perspective, there is no change. So what I will do, I will call server.js. It says it's running, so I will access it here. So this is basically our now Express.js application. What we can do, we can also run this one. I will use another port 3001 and Node server. In this case, it's app.js. So, and this is a version with pure Node.js. So this is yeah, there is like some additional headers and etc., but it doesn't matter. In our case, it doesn't matter. We get this from request, and it seems Express.js gives some additional headers. And this is a code. Let's compare these two source code. So this one is with pure Node.js, and this one is, let me make this a little smaller. And this one is with Express.js. And I would say, like, for now, it's almost the same. We don't use any additional features yet. So as a next part, as a next step, let's start using some parameters, which was our initial goal. So based on our parameters, let's say we provide our name, and we want to see this name in our response. Let's try to do this part, this thing in the next part.